All right, guys, so what you're going to watch me do right now is I am going to be annotating the text. And so what I'm looking for is something that I've learned about our main character, okay? So we just read. I am going to go ahead and look again for important information about this character, and I'm going to highlight it. I want to stamp that I am not going to be highlighting a ton of information. I am going to keep it to 1 to 2 sentences, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and grab my highlighter tool right here. I'm going to click orange because I'm a tiger and I like the color orange. And so I remember when I was reading that at the beginning, our main character says that he is not ordinary, right? He is not ordinary, and he also wishes that he had a normal face, okay? And so the reason why I'm highlighting this information, because I think it is important. It is important for us to know that the character is not ordinary because he doesn't have a normal face, right? And he wishes he did, okay? I also knew this was important because my title is titled Ordinary. So that tells me as a reader that this idea of being ordinary is very important. So I highlighted my text evidence, and now I'm gonna use the text box and I'm gonna put it down here, right? And I am gonna write my gist, okay? The gist is, in my own words, what have I learned, okay? And I am gonna go ahead and type it out. I'm gonna put the main character, MC, is not ordinary. He wishes he was by having a normal face. Okay, and so I went ahead and typed out my gist. I have my text evidence, and that is all you need to do to show that you have annotated, okay?